Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change membership plan Netflix application in computer. So how to change membership plan Netflix application in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to the Netflix application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial Netflix display. Here it is already on the initial Netflix application display. To change membership plan Netflix, we go to the settings menu. Point the cursor to the upper right corner. Here tap the profile menu. A scrolling menu will appear. And select the account menu. Here it is already in the account menu. Next, in the membership details section, tap Manage Membership. You will enter the Manage menu. And then select the Plan menu. Now there are 4 choices of change plan options. From Mobile, Basic, Standard, and Premium. Change as desired and according to your needs. After finishing, tap Continue. Here it will enter the menu, Payment Method. Here are some payment menu options, from credit cards, debit or e-wallet. Choose according to the payment method that suits you. So that's it, the tutorial how to change membership plan Netflix application in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.